In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a playlist in Shotcut. So when you're setting up with Shotcut, it's good to go ahead and organize your video clips and image clips in an orderly manner before you can add them to timeline. So the first thing is to give your project a name and then tap on Start to commence. Now, as you can see, we have this interface and it will be so much hard for you to start adding your videos. So I have here several number of videos and images, but I don't have just a playlist that I can add. To create your playlist, just go ahead and look for a playlist option on top here. And if you look at this, you can see you have a playlist. So to create your playlist, just go ahead and tap on playlist. And now you see we have a playlist here. So from here, go ahead and drop all your videos to this playlist. And now I can go ahead and select the videos that I want. I can select one by one, or I can just select as a group. For instance, I can take multiple of them and then just drop them here in my playlist and they'll all be added. Now, it is good to organize your playlist such that you can be able to read the titles under each clip that you have just added. So if you don't have this view that gives you the clip titles, go ahead and change the view from here. We have tiles and we have icons. So in most cases, you'll find that your video maybe are in this format. If you're okay with this format, the icon view, it is okay. But if you want them to appear as a list, you can as well go ahead and try out this or this. Now from here, you can now start adding your video clips to your timeline. To add a video clip to your timeline, just identify the clip you want to come first. Just click on it and drag and drop down here to the timeline and it will be added. Alternatively, to add a video clip to the timeline, if you want to add the next, another way is just to go ahead and click on the clip like this and then tap on this plus icon here. If we tap on it, it will be added directly to our timeline. So just add as many as you want and then begin your project. If you want to rearrange them, you can as well go ahead and rearrange them by just moving them around. And to make sure that you don't lose any of the clips you have added, make sure you turn on this ripple function. And now you can replace this and they'll exchange positions. So that's how you create a playlist in Shotcut. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.